Hey, what's up there, Instagram, or if whoever you're watching this anyway. Hi, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. So today I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit of a highlight of a video I'm actually working on in the process right now. I'm actually in the office right now doing some video editing, and I just wanted to kind of show you some of the stuff we've got kind of coming down the preview here, and I wanted to ask a few questions kind of while I'm showing you it. So if you take a look at this, so this is some footage we fixed actually not too long ago. So big old dent in the fender.
Hi there.
And we're gonna go ahead and actually rewind it to the beginning. Check this out.
Do not try this at home.
Now, as you probably saw, the dent, you heard a kind of a popping noise, and a lot of people would think, oh wow, the dent just popped out. Well, that's not really the case. There was actually a lot of finishing work and stuff that had to do with it. Quite a bit of it actually did end up getting fixed, or it got minimized, I guess I should say, with just pushing it out with my hand, but I just kind of wanted to touch on that. But more importantly, I wanted to actually chat and ask everybody as far as, what do you have for questions for me? So I'm going to be doing daily videos here for quite some time now. Hey, what's up there, John? I'm going to be doing some daily videos here on Instagram specifically, and I was just kind of more so questioning, what do you guys want to learn? What do you guys want to know about the paintless dent repair industry? I mean, if you want to learn a little bit more about, maybe glue pulling, maybe something to do with insurance and hail damage estimating, or regular door ding stuff, or, dent, prevention, what can you do to prevent getting dents, preferably in your car, obviously. Just kind of seeing as far as what's everybody looking for content, and what would you like me to answer for you in some of these upcoming videos. So that was kind of some questions I had for you, as well as just going to be sitting here working away. So if you've got anything or any type of comments or questions or anything like that, go ahead and leave them in the comment section here. I'd be happy to go ahead and get those answered. Probably just make a video about it to be make it real easy and simple and whatnot. And like I said, any comments, questions, anything you got about anything paintless dent repair related at all, I'd be happy to answer for you. So you can go ahead and message me here directly, or you can even give me, if you're local, you can even give me a call at 605-250-1023. I'd be happy to chat with you about any type of questions or anything you got. So how did you get so awesome? Thanks there, John. All right, guys. Well, you guys have a good evening, and we'll see you in the next one.